Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry, I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, but I've been getting acquainted to my room and everything. I'm finally in my graduate housing at UCLA. I am staying in Wayburn Terrace and I have a studio. So if any of you guys are interested in applying to UCLA and are curious about what the graduate housing on campus looks like, then you can keep watching my vlog, or if you guys just want to be nosy and see what my housing looks like, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is right when you first walk in. I have my little toaster oven right here, my knives, my Keurig, and I had the idea to put this little lamp on top. So if I come in the kitchen and I don't want to like turn on the full light or anything, I can turn on that. And this is my chalkboard that I have with my, well, one of my fave scriptures on it, Jeremiah 29:11. And this is behind the door when you first walk in. That just holds my keys, and if I have any important documents or anything to sit in that little holder, I could put like, you know, stuff in there. And have my pictures over here. Excuse me if I sound nasally, you guys. I think that I'm coming down with like a cold or something. And this is my little motivational wall I have right here too when you walk in on the right. Pictures of family, bookshelf and everything, backpack, my other bag right there. Have this little shoe rack too. This is my bathroom. I'll do a little quick view of that. Right here. Bathroom. Yeah, that's my bathroom. So now we're coming back out. And this is the stove I have, and it has a little oven underneath, and right beside it, it's my dishwasher, my sink area right here, these little cubby holders that you can see right here. And this is my fridge. Fridge is pretty decent size. And then we walk into my living space. There's no central light in here, so I have like light from the window, and then there's a light over there by my desk, and have all my shoes and stuff right here, a little shoe rack. There's my ring light, my TV. Get a closer view of my desk area, where I study and everything at. Printer. And then I have this amazing clothing rack that I found on Amazon that was super clutch because we have closet space, but not a lot. I'll show you that. And this is my couch. I got this or love seat. I got this love seat cover from off of Amazon because I didn't want to sit on the love seat without a cover on it because I don't know who been doing what on that love seat. So yeah. And this is my bed. Have my little Purpose Nurse sign right there. And this is my closet. Another light right there. This is my closet. It's not that big. That's why I wanted the clothing rack. Clothes and stuff in there, and then another view, and there's my mirror there. Hi you guys. Yeah, and that's about it. And then you can see this view from right here that shows my kitchen area. And I thought it would be super cool to separate the two areas to not make it feel so much like a studio, so I came up with the idea of putting these curtains right here so I can close it when I want. You know, I'm in here by myself, but still, you know. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick room tour, and see you in the next video. Bye.